Hello students, greetings from Learn to Lead Academy. Are you ready for the upcoming Tancet 2024? உங்களுடைய preparation level check பண்ணுமா? Don't wait. கீழே description boxல registration link கொடுத்துருக்கேன். We are going to conduct a pre-state level mock test on March 6th, Wednesday at 6 p.m. இந்த state level mock testல participate பண்ற students எல்லாருக்குமே பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா அந்த question paper March 8th discuss பண்ண போறோம். You can join for that discussion. உங்களுடைய preparation level check பண்ணிக்கோங்க and then you're also going to get more tips and tricks to crack the Tancet 2024 examination on March 9th. So don't forget to enroll for this pre-state level mock test. So in the pre-state level mock test, நீங்க enroll பண்ணனும்னா கீழ description boxல registration link கொடுத்திருக்கோம். So register பண்ணுங்க and March 6th உங்களுடைய email IDக்கு நீங்க register பண்ண email IDக்கு you will get a registration link. Okay, exam oda link உங்களுக்கு வரும். You can take the exam on March 6th. Don't miss this golden opportunity. All the best students.